Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine in all. You are all in fine your home. Due to coronavirus pandemic, we never meet together and never teach in classroom. But due to this coronavirus pandemic, we are using online platforms. So that is why today I delivering online lecture. So this is a introductory lecture, and first of all I would like to introduce you myself. I am Dhole KB, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management Science, Shiv Chhatrapati College, Aurangabad. So now today in this new academic year I will teach for BBA second year class semester third subject known as Management Perspective, which is framed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad, under choice-based credit system. So now we know about the management. So this subject is management perspective. We also learn about management in semester first, semester second. In first semester, we will learn there what is management. So management is getting things done by others. Management is art, management is a science. So we also learn in semester first. Then second semester we will learn what are the basic functions of management: planning, organizing, coordinating, controlling, staffing, whatever it. So now in this year we have to learn so management perspective third. In that management perspective third, there are having some syllabus. So today I will introduce you regarding the syllabus, and in this 3 months what we will learn in this academic year. So there are in this subject there are 4 chapters. So we will learn that 4 chapters. There are some contents I have written down here. So unit number first, there are recent trend in management. So what will happen in recently in management sector. So there are some contents. Content number first, introduction of the management. Then e-commerce, e-marketing, e-retailing, marketing mix. So there are recent trends. We know the in this corona pandemic situation, we all purchasing, buying, that all transaction we do as a online basis. So there are the recent trend in management. Now we are moving to chapter number second. In chapter number second there are production management. So in that chapter we will learn regarding things about the production. So there are content is history of the production management, then what is the development of production management, what are the meaning of production management, then scope and importance of production management. So now we are moving towards the chapter number third. So in chapter number third is a material management. So how to manage our material we will learn in this chapter number 3. So there are content, meaning, definition, scope and functions, etc. that we will learn in chapter number 3. Now moving chapter number 4, there are inventory management. So we know about the inventories. So in chapter number 4 we will learn introduction, concept, types and importance of inventory management. So this is the syllabus of this management perspective third. Now let us discuss about the what is the evaluation system. We all know about there are 2 types of evaluation. First one is a internal evaluation and second one is a external evaluation. So internal evaluation, you all know, you also faced the viva in previous semester. So internal evaluation, they are having so it's a college assessment. Internal evaluation is a college assessment and external evaluation is a university assessment. So we are talking about the internal assessment. In internal assessment you have one test for 5 marks. Then we have to you have to prepare one tutorial for this subject for 5 marks. Then one seminar. So you will prepare one 15-minute seminar about this syllabus. So this is for 5 marks. And lastly, group discussion. So this is also we will make some groups your class, and you should discuss about some current issues regarding management. So 5 marks for group discussion. So here is internal evaluation over. Now we are talking about the external evaluation. So you all know about the external evaluation is conducted by BAMU University. They are conducted examination in this semester. So you are having a 80 marks question paper. So this 20 marks is completed here, internal evaluation. Okay, clear? Then external evaluation. In external evaluation, you have a 180 mark question paper. That questions is divided in 3 groups. So you are having a group number first objective type questions, group number second long answers, and group number third is a short note. So you are having 8 questions. So question number first is a objective type. There are having a one answer in one sentence. Question number first A. Question number first B. You are having a fill in the blanks. Question number first 3. You are having a multiple choice question, and question number first 4. You are having a true or false. So there are for 20 marks. Question number first, and another next 7 question is a long answers for 15 mark each. So and you have to write down 5 questions from question number second to question number 8. So now question number 8 is short note. So there are having also 5 short notes, and each and every short note is for 5 marks. And there are notice write any 3 questions for following questions. So that are the question paper format. So is that clear? Syllabus and evaluation system. So remaining this content, this is an introductory lecture. So remaining content we will take one by one in upcoming videos, upcoming lectures. So if anyone having any queries regarding this syllabus and evaluation system, so we are preparing link. I will send you link about this video lecture, and you have any questions, queries, so you should contact with me on Google Classroom. Okay, clear? Only contact with me on Google Classroom regarding these issues. So today's lecture is over. Remaining part we will continue in next video.